Let me tell you how we do it in California. We'll have you on the run just like a puma. If it don't move us, ain't paid your dues and it ain't gon' get our groovers on. We lose you to the consumer solution. Come on, it's a wonderful night. Gotta take it from me. It's a wonderful night. Come on and break it on down. It's a wonderful night. Gotta shake it from me. It's a wonderful night. Come on and break it on down. Girl, I want it, you got it. Your body's like a narcotic. The thought is autoerotic. Come on and break it on down. Can I get it on credit against your brick house? I bet it. Take it as far as you let it.
Anna Baldisserotto è a metà gara 33-66, 11ª serie in corso, categoria ragazze per la 10ª. Veronica Rossetto, Gabbiano in 1 per le 3 piscine, Maura Zollino in 2 per il Padova Nuoto, sono i blocchi, Anna Ferrarese in 3, Emma Zandron in 4, Sofia Spoladore in 5, in corsia 6 Vittoria Tomietto, Veneto Banca Montebelluna, in corsia 7 Anna Iroldi, Padova Nuoto, in 8 Chiara Mantovani, Padova Nuoto. Baldisserotto ancora davanti, la Pecorin che incalza, Baldisserotto al touch 1:09.69, miglior tempo fino ad ora.